At exactly 2:47 a.m. global time, every telescope on Earth goes dark. The glowing river of stars has simply vanished. For thousands of years, those stars served as our map. Ancient civilizations and early explorers relied on these precise constellations to navigate oceans and track the seasons. People step outside and stare upward into an empty black void. Meteorologists confirm there is no global cloud cover. The Milky Way itself has vanished. The loss of the night sky removes our oldest historical anchor. In a single second, humanity has lost its connection to its cosmic home. Inside observatories, the immediate reaction is denial. Scientists frantically recalibrate instruments, assuming a mechanical failure in the lenses or the sensors. But the data is consistent. The cosmic microwave background has shifted, and every recognizable galaxy in our deep space view has been replaced by unfamiliar light. Once the triangulation of new pulsar signals is complete, the math reveals a terrifying displacement. Earth is now 2.5 million light-years from its original coordinates, positioned deep within the Andromeda Galaxy. The initial confusion of a missing sky gives way to a deeper realization. We are lost in a completely alien sector of space. Almost instantly, mission control centers watch their screens light up with error codes as we deep space communication network fails. Decades of exploration evaporate. The Voyager spacecraft, pushing through the interstellar medium of our old galaxy, are now millions of light-years out of reach. The rovers mapping the Martian surface and the satellites orbiting Jupiter are left behind, continuing their missions in a solar system we no longer share. Earth is now completely severed from its neighboring planets. Every radio signal we emit travels blindly into an uncharted galaxy. When the sun finally sets on our first day in Andromeda, a gigantic, glowing spiral galaxy dominates the horizon, stretching over familiar mountain ranges. 3 months later, a terrestrial radio telescope detects a repeating artificial pattern of prime numbers. The transmission pauses, then delivers a single unencrypted sentence: "You are far from home." Global governments respond with paralyzed silence. New data reveals that our survival is no accident. Earth slots into the habitable zone of an alien star with gravity and surface temperatures that match our original sun exactly. A planet does not land in a perfectly engineered orbit by chance. Someone deliberately chose this location for us. 1 year into our exile, humanity's most powerful space telescope captures an anomaly in our new stellar neighborhood. It detects an object massive enough to block out entire fields of background stars, a silent, geometric machine larger than any known solar system. Before astronomers can process the scale of the object, every digital screen on Earth is hijacked by a single transmission, Phase 1 complete. The message reveals a reality far darker than a simple displacement. Humanity has been collected as a specimen, moved to a custom-built enclosure for the start of a massive, cold-blooded experiment. In the real world, moving a planet is impossible under our current understanding of physics. Andromeda is our nearest major galactic neighbor, yet it sits 2.5 million light-years away from the Milky Way. Accelerating an object with Earth's mass across intergalactic space would require infinite energy to overcome light speed. Even if that energy existed, gravitational shear forces would fracture the planet into dust long before leaving our solar system. While a sudden relocation makes a compelling story, the immense distances between galaxies remain a scientific reality. For centuries, we have dreamed of leaving Earth to explore the cosmos. We rarely consider the terrifying prospect of Earth leaving its home behind. Home is not just the dirt beneath our feet. It is the specific star field that has watched over human evolution since the very beginning. If you woke up in Andromeda tomorrow, would you dedicate your life finding a way back, or would you step out to explore the new frontier? Let us know in the comments by typing "Go home" or "Explore." And if you enjoyed this journey, hit subscribe for more thought experiments, because the universe is stranger than we often imagine.